Pranams. My name is Jiva Master Kiran Kumar, Director of Pranava Scientific Vastu Solutions Private Limited. We are into scientific Vastu consulting. The following services are available in Pranava Scientific Vastu Solutions Private Limited. Chakra scanning. We do the chakra scanning of our clients and we talk about their physiological, emotional content and also talk about their directional energies in the house where they are residing. House scanning. We visit a particular house or a flat or a plot according to the request and we do the scanning of the plot and find out what type of energies are present in that particular area. We scan for negative energy, which is also called as infrared energies, and give the remedies if we are finding any negative energies in that particular place. We are pioneers and experts in locating geopathic stress and offering remedies. We also scan for negative ultraviolet rays which are responsible for the malfunction of the brain and any epilepsy incidents happening in a particular place. We check for 16 directions in a particular place and we check for 9 planets in a place. We also offer our services for locating 45 devatas in a particular place and rectify if there are any defects in the devatas. We use the DNA of the client to find out the compatibility of the main door, the bedroom, the gemstones they are wearing, the place where they should sit, and also the compatibility of the plot before they purchase or the flat before they are investing or the places where they want to set up a commercial establishment on lease. The following services are reasonably priced and you can avail these services by taking an appointment and calling us for a demonstration.